Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Microsoft is really playing hardball with anybody that wants to have a Microsoft account or doesn't want a Microsoft account. That's what I want to say. They do want to push you towards a Microsoft account, and this, of course, creates some distortion in what people want and what Microsoft wants, and it is a little sad that, Microsoft doesn't just give in and say, yeah, it's fine. If you want one, it's all right. Here's what, you have, and if you don't want one, here's what you're going to miss. I think it would be a fair way to do it. So they've closed one loophole again that was one of the most popular ones, that was to create a Windows 11 install without having to go through the Microsoft account. But a Twitter user found another bypass. So if you go into the setup process, when it gets to the point of creating a Microsoft account, if you just hold Shift F10, you go into the command prompt and you enter this command here, right? That's right here, start ms-cxh : local only. Press enter. You'll get this page, which will be, oh, okay, we want to just have a local account. I think it's even easier than the bypass that they stopped, which is kind of funny when you think about it. So, and of course, don't forget, you still have the option to use Rufus, that you can put a check mark and it creates a bootable media that will not ask you for a Microsoft account again. But, it's to think as when could it happen that Microsoft says enough is enough and you cannot bypass this? There certainly is something that seems to bother Microsoft. They certainly don't want you to get onto your PC without a Microsoft account. So at some point I can kind of see that they'll remove all the loopholes and say, nope, can't do it anymore. Which is, honestly, I personally find it dumb that you force people to the point where you just got to do it if you want to use our system. It's a little stupid. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.